Can you use air horns instead of electronic horns? Have you ever wondered if air horns can take the place of electronic horns on boats? This is a common question among boaters, and the answer is yes, but there are some important points to consider. Both air horns and electronic horns are sound signaling devices that help ensure safety on the water, but they operate differently and have their own pros and cons. Air horns work by using compressed air to create a loud sound. When you press the button, air is forced through a diaphragm or reed, amplifying the sound. This results in a powerful blast that can be heard over long distances, making air horns a popular choice for larger vessels. On the other hand, electronic horns use electrical signals to activate a diaphragm or speaker, producing a sound similar to a traditional horn without needing compressed air. One key factor to think about is sound volume and effectiveness. Air horns typically produce a louder and more penetrating sound than many electronic horns. This makes them especially useful in busy or noisy marine environments where clear signaling is essential. Durability and maintenance are also important considerations. Air horns requiring a source of compressed air, which adds complexity and maintenance needs. If water gets into the air horn, it can cause damage. Electronic horns are generally simpler and more durable, needing only electrical power to function. This means they often requiring less upkeep. When it comes to installation and cost, electronic horns tend to be easier and less expensive to install. They only need wiring to connect to the boat's electrical system. In contrast, air horns need space for the horn itself and a compressor or air tank, which can take up room and add to the overall cost. Legal requirements for sound signaling devices on boats usually state that vessels must have an efficient sound-producing device. This can be a bell, whistle, or air horn. Electronic horns are widely accepted as compliant as long as they produce an adequate sound level. Practical use is another consideration. Some boaters prefer air horns for their distinctive sound, especially in foggy conditions where clear signaling is critical. Others opt for electronic horns for their convenience and reliability, particularly on smaller boats. In summary, while you can use air horns instead of electronic horns on boats, air horns come with more equipment and maintenance needs. Electronic horns offer a simpler and cost-effective solution that meets safety requirements for most recreational boats. Your choice will depend on factors like boat size, budget, and personal preference for sound characteristics.